Hello viewers, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Today's video is all about recovery of suspended Twitter accounts. Okay, so I have already made a video on this, but lot of people were complaining about sound problem. So I have made another video for this. This is 100% guaranteed method to recover your suspended Twitter account. So watch the whole video and at the end you will be able to recover your suspended Twitter account. Okay, so let's start our video. So as you can see that my Twitter account is also suspended. So I will just send an appeal to Twitter customer service. Okay, so they should contact me and they will recover my account. Okay, so a lot of people just contact Twitter account without deleting their controversial tweets or retweets. So before sending your appeal, you should keep one thing in your mind that you should delete your prohibited or controversial tweets. Okay, so first of all, we will just delete our controversial tweet. You just have to click on this your profile, and from here your profile section you should delete all the controversial tweets. So as you can see that this is my profile section, and I will carefully check whether I have tweeted any controversial post. Okay, so if I have tweeted any controversial post, then I will just delete that post. So what happens actually when you send an appeal to Twitter will thoroughly check your account, and if they found some controversial post, they will not recover your account. Okay, so first of all you just have to check your profile and delete all controversial posts. So moving next, you just have to send an appeal by clicking this suspended accounts option. So after clicking on suspended accounts, here is the next page, and at the end you can see there is file and appeal option. You just have to click on this file and appeal. In this appeal section, you just have to tell Twitter about your profile. Okay, so this is the main page. Okay, and your account recovery will all depend on this page. So you should carefully read all the description and your issues here. So from here I will click, as I am using my Twitter account on my PC, so I will just click this my desktop web browser. In the description box I will write whole details about my account. If you want to write the same description, then I will give whole text in description below. You just have to copy this and paste in your appeal section. Okay, in this section you just have to write your full name. Okay, so from here I will go to my profile section and I will write my full name here in this box. So this is my username, and here above this is my full name. So I will just copy full name from here. In this box I have written my full name. I'll just scroll down, and here phone number is optional. I suggest you that you should write your phone number here. After giving all these information, I will just click on this continue. You can see here after solving CAPTCHA, I will just click on this submit option. Congratulations, your appeal has been submitted, and Twitter will reply within 5 to 7 days. Okay, so I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.